So in this problem, we're told that the perimeter of a square and a rectangle in feet are equal. So let's call that perimeter P, and the key thing would be for the square, the dimension each side is S, and we'll do the same thing for the rectangle. Length is L, width is W. And we're told that the length of the rectangle is 1 foot longer than the width, so L is W plus 1. In fact, we can just work with W. So we're told that the perimeter is equal, which means that perimeter of square is 4S, and that's equal to 2 times length plus width. So this would be 2W plus 1. So that's the condition. So I can actually isolate, actually what I'm going to do is the other way. So you could do it either way, meaning isolating S in terms of W or W in terms of S. So I'm going to isolate W. So we have 2S is 2W plus 1, which means that 2W is 2S minus 1, and W is S minus half. The reason I isolated W is because the area of the square is S square, and we have to compare the area of square with the area of rectangle. Now, area of rectangle would be L times W, or W plus 1 times W. Now, we know that W is S minus half, so I can replace that here. S minus half plus 1, and W is S minus half. So this becomes S plus half times S minus half. I can use the difference of square here. This is S square minus 1/4, because I'd be squaring that term. So quantity A, this is quantity B, and quantity A is S square. So we have to compare these two quantities. S square is the same. Quantity B, I'm subtracting minus 1/4. So clearly quantity A will always be greater. So the answer is A.